Coho Winery has a presentation that showcases its premium wines, and every year they need to update it. In the presentation updates, the wine details always change. But certain other things in the presentation stay the same, such as these section headers, used for the wine categories. For the wine descriptions, the subheadings don't change, and neither does the basic layout. To update the slides, it would be tempting to click File, Save As, save the presentation as a new one, and type over the old content. But having to delete old content adds an extra step to the work. Also, over time, inconsistencies creep in as various authors work in the file and incorrect formatting gets introduced. A better solution for the Coho staff would be to turn this presentation into a template and use that as a master for presentation updates. For the content in the template, you'd keep the formatting and text you always want in the presentation. Where new content needs to be added, you could leave the area blank or use placeholder text as a guideline for authors. You could include formatting too, such as the frame style on a picture placeholder, to save an author time and help ensure consistency. For the template, you'd want global design elements in place, such as a theme from the Themes Gallery or a background design. And you'd open Slide Master view, click View Slide Master, to make global style changes to the master and to customize master layouts so they're right for your content. With all the design details and content in place, you would click File, Save As, and choose PowerPoint template.potx as the file type. Then click Save. And here's the beauty of a template. When you click to open the template file, it opens a fresh presentation that is based on the template. So, to update the Coho Premium Selections presentation, you'd be starting in a new presentation file, not the template itself. Yet, you'd have everything that's in the template and benefit from all the work that's been done. If you put the template on a shared site, your team can always find a current copy there and download it for their use too. Up next, to prepare the template, customize the presentation's design and layouts.